No, you can't sue your employer. And that's because when you're hurt at work, whether your employer is at fault, negligent, or not, you cannot file a lawsuit against your employer. Lawsuits against employers, suing your employer is prohibited by what we call the exclusivity provisions of the Rhode Island Workers' Compensation Act. And what it essentially says is the only remedy you can have for a work-related injury is to pursue workers' compensation benefits under the Rhode Island Workers' Compensation Act. And that typically means dealing with an insurance company that your employer has paid workers' compensation insurance premiums to, and obtaining or being eligible for the list of benefits that are described in the Workers' Compensation Act. So that means you don't get pain and suffering, and you don't get a lot of the sort of human type of damages or non-economic damages that can be recovered in a traditional personal injury case. But as a trade-off, unlike an injury case or a negligence case, you don't have to prove your employer was negligent as a requirement to start receiving benefits. You just have to show you were hurt at work. So the exclusivity provisions of the Workers' Compensation Act make it so that you can't sue your employer. You're not allowed to. It can look, if you file a petition for workers' compensation benefits or of any type in our court, you will have a caption on the case that says, your name versus your employer's name. And I've had clients asking, does that mean I'm suing my employer? And the answer is no, you're not, but you are petitioning for entitlement to workers' compensation benefits because you were hurt at work.